Hello everyone and welcome back to another AI tool video. This tool is launched in 2023 and it has an amazing features. This tool is Ideogram AI. This tool has amazing features of generating logos, generating text, generating images. Here is the website. Let's enter this website, and first of all we need to sign up. Just use your Google account and sign up to Ideogram. Just check this one and continue and choose your display name. Here I'm choosing my display name as AI Mastery Hub. And here we are on the Ideogram page. We can see that these are the trending images, and here we need to describe our prompt, and here we can rescale our image, and our generation will be public as written here, so we can see other generations by other people. And what the good thing I like about this is we can generate text by describing in our prompt. So we are going to try this. Like you can see these images and they have text. These are generated by prompt. These are the other categories. You can see if you need to search an image with select the categories and search for it. And now what we gonna do is we will generate a logo, and make sure to be very descriptive in your prompt. Like if you need to write any text and in your image, so make sure it is clearly mentioned in that prompt. I am writing this prompt. You can see how you can write a good prompt and generate the accurate logo. As you can see, I have clearly mentioned to that neon city should be written. So let's generate and see how it looks like. And here are the 4 generated logos. So I think that the top right one looks the similar like what I have described in my prompt. So maybe I like this one. It has generated 4, so you can easily choose the one you like. So here the other ones, you can see this also looks good, but the text is not accurate, so I will use this, and this is good. And now we have successfully generated logo with Ideogram AI. Now let's search for some images, and let's see how it generates images. And as you can see, this is a poster for a movie. So let's generate this and see how it looks like. Okay, as I have clearly mentioned, so it generates the text. And now let's generate image of mushrooms with butterflies at night in the river. Let's see how it looks like. And wow, this looks so beautiful. So I think it's better than Midjourney and any other AI generating software, because it has an option of generating text along with image. So that's all from today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon, because I am daily posting new AI tools for you to make your life smarter. And good luck.